Get up, go boil hot water for me, make I go back. I think say by now you don't stand up, enter kitchen sef. Stand up, go get ready, may we go for our business, I beg. Stand up.
Which business? See, if as you see me like this, I dey weak. I dey try now every day. Waka. From day to day, from week to week. Now so I dey waka. Maybe body I use dey do. I bet Ty, I no feel like anything today.
We no feel like anything today. Well, let's go and dirty something today. As you know one rag, I got me dirty. Get up, now me will come out. You know one stand up.
I say I no get strength now. Wetin be all this one?
Wow. We one day house today. Anyway. I even forgot. Now today this nursing student say make I come safe, say they go appreciate me. For this female nursing school. Where they for me.
Who appreciate you?
Those girls now, those nurses where they for that. Now today they say, but Tayo, come, we go appreciate you, all of
you
them.
with them, they craze. I said they craze.
How?
Now today one no one follow you go. Now they won't come appreciate you, where? Now I no go walk, make we they go.
No be only to show me appreciation, show me love.
Make we show us love. I don't dey ready. May we go back go.
Okay, may we go back go. Obama wey no dey gree me dey use knife go for her back. You see am? Urule na again me appreciate na come equally can come. Ela here ya kozona. You go golie. I go pour hot water make I bath come out before people will go give me early this thing behind. For tell me say na some pepper it time. Say as your rapper they make noise. Come up. Scratch me for back. Just they do me kete.
My hand no reach now.
Your hand no waiting.
You no reach.
You went out so I can't. Ela here ayo. Ayo mide. Moke mpompo bi na yard. Akaga so ala na ayoro. Okay, come bring your hand touch.
You no reach now.